Assalamu alaikum, good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new poem, Lines from Ulysses. Before I start, I would like to share a motivating quote regarding education, and that says, education is the passport to your future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. So, mind it, prepare yourselves. Lines from Ulysses by Alfred Lord Tennyson, a Victorian poet. We're going to learn it, but it has 3 episodes. I'll teach you this poem in 3 different episodes. Episode number 1 would be Olympian gods. Episode number 2 would be Trojan War. And after episode number 2, you will definitely understand what is a theme, what is a background, why it was written, and who was Ulysses, what happened with him, and what did he do for his fellow men, and what was the reason behind that. So all the things we are going to learn in 3 episodes. If you learn episode number 1 and 2 by heart, so episode number 3, like the third part, you will understand. And mind it, from episode number 1, episode number 2, or you can say part number 1, part number 2. From part 1 and part 2, you need to learn it by heart because examiner can ask you some MCQs. So be ready for that. Alright, so dear students, now episode or part 1, we start from here, from Greek mythology. We need to learn a bit about Greek mythology and gods and goddesses. So there are 3 ages of gods in Greek mythology. One is primordial age, number 2 is Titan age, and third one is Olympian age. So we are going to study about Olympian gods. There are 12 standard Olympian gods. One by one I'll tell you about them, and very clearly and very quick introduction we are going to have about Olympian gods, that who are Olympian gods and goddesses, god number 1, 2, 3, 4, and their names, and for example the god of sea, the god of war. So I'm going to tell you this all stuff because examiner can ask you in MCQs. The god of war is dash A B C D. So you need to learn to get your MCQs done. So Greek mythology, 3 ages of gods: primordial, Titan, and Olympian age. So Olympian gods, we are going to start now. Okay, dear students, the 12 Olympian gods, 12 standard Olympian gods, we are going to discuss one by one. And Olympian is from Olympus, Mount Olympus in northeastern Greece, or with the Greek gods. So Olympus is a mount, and it's all about Greek mythology. So Zeus is one of the gods. Zeus is a sky and thunder god in ancient Greek religion, who rules as king of the gods of Mount Olympus. Alright, so mind it, Zeus. Examiner can ask you, Zeus is the god of dash. sky, water, war. So you'll just click sky. Or he can also ask you, The sky god is Zeus, Hera, and some others. So you'll click Zeus. All right. So this is god number 1. Moving towards god number 2. All right, dear students, god and goddesses we are discussing. So this Hera is goddesses of women, marriage, family and childbirth in ancient Greek religion. One of the 12 Olympians and the wife of Zeus. Yes, she's a wife of Zeus, the god of the sky. Hera, Olympian gods and goddesses. So Hera is a goddesses of marriage, women, family and childbirth in ancient Greek. One of the 12 Olympians and the wife of Zeus. So have clear picture in your mind. I have used image of god and goddesses so that you can understand and recognize if you find any picture of god and goddesses around you. So god number 3, we are going to start now. Alright, dear students, this is Apollo, Greek god. Apollo is the Greek god of music, poetry, light and medicine. He is one of the 12 Olympian gods who live on Mount Olympus. Fine, Apollo is one of the 12 gods. Alright, dear student, Poseidon, the god of the sea, storm, earthquakes, horses, Zeus and Hades were his brother. Alright, so examiner can ask you, Poseidon, the god of sea and dash, the god of storm, the god of earthquake. Alright, so Poseidon. Okay, next is Ares. Ares is a Greek god of war. Now you can see his getup, his uniform. He is one of the 12 Olympians, the son of Zeus and Hera. Alright, so the name of his father and mother is Zeus and Hera. So mind it, that can be asked in MCQs. Okay, this is Athena. Athena. Alright, goddesses. Goddess of wisdom, war and the craft, and favorite daughter of Zeus. Athena was perhaps the wisest, most courageous and certainly the most resourceful of the Olympian gods. So mind it, Athena, this is not Athena, this is Athena, goddess of wisdom. Now dear student, there is a Greek play, the Oedipus Rex from Sophocles. On that play you will find that this picture, Artemis in Greek religion, the goddess of wild animals and the hunt. You can see his wings, you can see in his hand that arrows and vegetation and of chastity and childbirth. Artemis was the daughter of Zeus. So your MCQs can be done like this. Alright, Artemis. Alright, so Demeter in Greek religion, daughter of the deities Cronus and Rhea. Alright, this is one of the goddesses. Now Aphrodite, ancient Greek goddess of sexual love and beauty. So this is goddess of beauty and sexual love. Okay, dear student, Dionysus or Dionysus. This is here we have a little typo mistake. It is not SOS, it is SUS. Dionysus. Dionysus was the ancient Greek god of wine or winemaking, grape cultivation, fertility, ritual madness, theater, and religious ecstasy. Dionysus. Okay, student, this is not Hermes. This is Hermes is a deity in ancient Greek religion and mythology. Hermes is considered the herald of the gods as well as the protector of human heralds, traveler, thieves, merchants, and orators. Hermes is a protector of human. You can see the uniform he's wearing, and he's trying to fly, I guess. So mind it, remember it. Hephaestus. Hephaestus, the Greek god of blacksmith, metalworking, and other. So the 12 Olympian gods we have gone through now. Now we are starting in the next lecture Trojan War, and the basic cause of Trojan War was the beautiful women of the universe, of the world, is character Helen. And in that story we are going to learn about Ulysses, Homer, that Greek person, the Greek man Homer, who wrote Iliad poem, and Odysseus, and Ulysses was a character, heroic character. So we are going to learn about Ulysses as well. So for today there are 12 gods, 3 periods of gods: Titan, Olympians, Pyramidal. So mind it, and these gods or this information will help you solve your MCQs. So have a good day. Thank you.